if you say this is pop? To be singing to a tune with a rhythm like this, would it be so unpopular for a singer like me to be bringing up the fact that we're all gonna go? Some people swear, they say they know where. For me it's a mystery, but whichever way you see it, you have to admit it and live it and live it. We all kick the bucket in the end, the end. Yeah. All the girls kick the bucket in the end, the end. And the boys kick the bucket in the end, the end. Yep, we all kick the bucket in the end, the end, the end, the end, the end. Blew up my TV. It was numb in my brain to be thinking the same as a million other people, all feeling afraid of the same thing, but there's nothing to lose, 'cause we're all on a bike and we're cycling through, getting off on our injuries. But you gotta get back on it and live it and live it, to love it and live and love life, 'cause we all keep the bucket in the end, the end. All the girls keep the bucket in the end, the end. And the boys keep the bucket in the end, my friend. Yep, we all keep the bucket in the end, the end, the end, the end, the end. This is not a sad song. I don't bring it up to get you down. It's a celebration for all the red cells going round and round in your body. I don't mean to preach or to sound like a teacher. No, I only wanna cut the crowd when looking back. Everybody's had to face the facts. We all kick the bucket in the end, the end. All the girls kick the bucket in the end, the end. And the boys kick the bucket in the end, my friend. Yep, we all kick the bucket in the end, the end, the end, the end, the end, the end.
Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell left me here to weep and moan. Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.